Welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, consider subscribing to the subscribe button and turn the notification icon to get notified each time I post a new video. So on today's design, let's just make a fresh tutorial on how to use this photo editor. I must confess, this photo editor is very good, especially if you are using Pixel. Photo editor will help you a lot. So on this video, I will be teaching you how to use some of the tools on photo editor. I believe if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, you will have the knowledge on how to go about on this photo editor app. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So this is photo editor app. Once you click on photo editor app, this is what you will see. Of course, you know it will take a little bit time to open. So this is photo editor. Once you open it, this is gallery app, camera, new, recent photos, batch, tools, and the late photo editor. These are the things you need to see here. Okay, let's just check this one. This one is when you want to open a new document here. This is in form of CorelDRAW. This is the pixels, inches, meters, and cm, and all that. Then this one is here. Once you click on this one, you see pixels, inches, and all that too. So this okay, this one is the size, and this one is the name. Then this one is the width, this one is the height, pixels, check. If this one is what you need, you will change it to it. So after everything, you will now click OK, and this is what you will see. This pops up. So if you look very closely, you will see the background, but that's just it. So if you don't want that one, you just go back, and assuming you've downloaded the background you want to work with, this is what you do. You click on this gallery, then you select your background. So this is the best way to do it. Download your background, then you start working on it. Let's just say I want to make use of this background. I'll just import it. Once I import it, this is what you will see. So over here you see a lot of tools here. We have colors. You see these colors is you want to increase this exposure, brightness, and the contrast. You are seeing the difference, increasing it. Just you know the point you want to leave the thing. So this is it for this one. For color, you discharge, we don't want to save it. This one is curve. This is just to enhance your image or background. As you are seeing it, once I'm doing this thing, some of these changes are occurring on this background. So this is it. Once you feel like you've gotten what you want, you just click on OK, and it will change. So this is levels. It's also the same thing, just this one is RGB. We increase this one just same way, then you decrease this one. You see it's changing as you are touching it. So that's it. Then we have effect. This is where you get a lot of things you work with. We have none, gamma. Okay, we'll click on gamma. Okay, you see, but this is where the problem is to come up. You see I'm clicking on this thing, but this thing is not changing. So before you achieve this, you have to click on this place now. You see anything I'm doing now will be applying here. So I have to bring this to the up this way. So that's it. We have brightness. When you want to increase the brightness, we have auto contrast. We have auto tone. It depends on what you want. So we have colors, we have vibrant, we have color balance, color mix, and all that. Then over here, this is very important. Once you are designing, we have sharpen. This is to sharpen the image or the background. This one will give it a very nice distance. Then this on sharp mask is also good. assuming we imported an image here, you will see. Then this one is to blur the background. This is very, very important. You must blur your background so that your background will not look exaggerated. So this is smart blur, this is zoom blur and all that. So as time goes on, you start learning more things on these effects tools. We have effect 2. This one I don't use it because it's just to flip horizontal corner and all that. So that's it. You discharge. So we have flames. It's just like giving this thing a flame. These things are not much important once you're making use of this. Then let's go to the important ones here, which is text and image. This is, once you click on this plus icon here, these things will come up. This first one is sticker. Want to make use of sticker? If you wish, you can click on that. You click on plus again. This one is shapes.